English word. Tiny crystals of ice that falls to earth. Frost in the background.
Pasko na!
2-0. Eh, gusto nyo na kayo? Dapat yung leader. 2-0. Okay. Next.
No!
It's a 5-letter English word, which is the counterpart of man. Eve is the first black in the paradise of Eden.
Pasko na!
Osman, what's that?
Asunod, 2026 pa. 3-0. Okay. It's a 5-letter Filipino word. Pinaglalagyan ng pagkain na ginagamit natin sa tanghalian, hapunan, at maging almusal. Maaaring naman sa plastic o 3-1. Ay, hindi na kinilig. Lagi ay Next.
Bigyan!
It's a 5-letter Filipino word. Ito ang araw na pinakahihintay natin sa buwan ng Disyembre. Go! Dito. Dito ha, dito. It's a 4-letter Filipino word. Kailangan natin kung tayo ay maghanap kung saan makikita ang isang lugar.
Pasko na!
Mapa! Mapa! Quiet! It's a 5-letter English word. A verb. Or actual. And it's the past
Furious!
tense of the word shine.
Pasko na! Paito, it's a 7.
Share vacation tayo sa
7.
bahay natin. Another house natin.
Furthermore, ang paguri sa ating pambansang kamao na isang laro sa video games.
Basura! Sinta ko! Pakwan! Pakwan!
Okay, okay. Wait. Nagkamali ako, 5-2 pa rin.
Spakman. Boxing. Boxing.
5-2. Next. It's a four-letter English word. It's an agreement for a financial exchange in which one of the two parties promises to make with an established frequency a series of payments in exchange for receiving another set of payments from the other party. Receiving palitan. Mali! Iniisip ko pa, alam na nila. Swap! 6-2.
English eh.
Madali!
Papasok ka na naman sa loob.
It's a four-letter Filipino word. Filipino ang masarap. Kaya ano to? Kalimitan, kulay, dilaw, na ibinubudbod o toppings sa spaghetti o pizza.
Basura!
6-3.
May Elsa o Quezon!
W.
6-3. Next. It's a four-letter English word which means to bite again and work the food in the mouth with a clit. As a prize, always bite the food. 6-4. Wala ka kayo. Mahabol! Mahabol! Alam mo sa mundo rin yun.
6-4. Sana lang.
6-4. Next, it's a five-letter English word. It is a large animal that lives in deserts. It is used for carrying goods and people. It has long Next. 6-5. A four-letter Filipino word
Layon!
Leon.
na gusto natin maging tugon sa ating pagsusuri.
Pera!
Ang kasalita ito ay mali.
Nauna sila na lang.
Tawa.
7-5, lalapit na.
Kinukopya na nila tayo mag-aral natin. A five-letter English word. It's a place that has rooms in which people can
Let's
stay,
see, careful.
especially when they are traveling a place. Eight five.
Open.
Next, it's a five-letter Filipino word. Makikita sa kalye na pinagkakalitan ng mga kable o wires ng kuryente o telepono.
Teka, challenge. Para mag-aamit yung mga word.
It's It's a 5-letter English word. A word
Bebe, tingnan ko likod mo, bebe.
word.
Tingnan ko likod mo,
And
tingnan
it's the
dito.
past
Eh, dear, ano?
of the word
Here.
show. Past participle of the word show. 8-7.
Hoy, Sunti!
Kasali pala ako. Ano pala ako?
Next.
Siyang salamat.
8-7, di ba?
Pero wait lang. Sabi mo na yung kanina eh. Fine. Yes.
It's a 4-letter English word, which means to clean with soap and water. That we do to our face, dishes, or eight on na, 8 on. Kinabot, 8 on.
Sunti, madapa. Diyan, madapa ka. Baby, madapa ka.
Next. It's a 5-letter Filipino word. Ang pangunahing inihahain sa mesa tuwing Pasko na gawa sa baboy at kasama natin ng queso boy. 9-8. Ulitin ko na. Mayaman. Next. It's a 5-letter English word. It is a demonstrative pronoun that points to many that are far from you. A demonstrative pronoun